Auxein, which we have been following for almost 8 to 10 years.
First we'll make a portal. So portal, because it is not a simulator, so we'll have to do direct the drilling of the tunnel. In this workshop, DAIS society, which is a scientific society from the Auxein team, arranged all the workshop centers, and this workshop was very helpful for our postgraduate students to learn the technique of the ACL reconstruction and suprapatellar nailing in the tibial fracture. I think this kind of the activities always helpful for the postgraduate students and always help us to share our knowledge.
Whenever we are doing the surgery, we usually tend to stand on the right side of the patient so that we work with the right hand. Okay? And the C-arm is always coming from the opposite side. Whenever for the first time, if you are putting anything, you always use the tricot, because if you put in something like this is blunt, this won't go in, this will damage the tissue. Today we had an opportunity to collaborate with Auxein for a workshop on ACL reconstruction and trauma portfolio, with especially that suprapatellar nailing in. We had a great time, and our postgraduates had a really great learning experience, and I feel that they feel a bit more confident about doing these procedures and learning to know about them a lot. And thanks a lot to the Auxein team and for making all of this work very well.